Magical Maiden, welcome to my channel. Today this video is brought to you by Gothic. Gothic has a great collection of unique and really cool jewelry. These are the 4 rings they were kind enough to let me pick out. I really love them. They're so cool. I love how they have a variety of different items. It has all kinds of jewelry. It has rings, bracelets, pendants, and more. So you really should check out Gothic. They are just so cool. They have something for everybody. They have Gothic jewelry, biker jewelry, skull jewelry, and so much more. And now you should check it out. They have plenty of things going on and discounts. Also, I have a discount code for you below this video in the description box. So when you're done watching this video, be sure that you go down and you check this out. Be sure that you look below this video when you're done watching it for the discount code. It's Bobby20 for a 20% discount. Let's get started with the video. Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Magical Maiden. So today what I want to do is just say hello. I want to remind you all to go check out all my playlist. So first I want to say thanks for all my subscribers for being here, old and new. I appreciate you all. I want you to go check out all my playlist. I do have paranormal vlogs coming up. This is just an updated announcement, but I haven't started them yet. I've been quite busy with reviews. So if you haven't seen my latest reviews, go ahead and check out my review playlist on this channel. I have some really cool items. Recently, and I just did that, is these 4 beautiful rings from Gothic. Gothic has a lot of unique jewelry, so really go check that out. This video is sponsored by Gothic, and you really got to go check it out. I'll tell you about all those rings. I show you them in detail, and also I did other reviews on other things. So I really hope that you check out my review. So I really hope you check out my review playlist. Again, I will be having paranormal vlogs. It's fall now. I have my fall background up, ready for the fall, and I will be starting them up pretty soon. Normally I would have had a few up, but it's been quite a busy month. And I just had my birthday a few days ago, so I've been very busy. Trying to get to everything, trying to not only make the videos, but edit them. So it does take time, and I had a lot of reviews to catch up to, so I haven't forgotten. And as you can see, there's plenty of playlists and plenty of videos. So do make sure that you're subscribed, that you click that notification bell. You do click that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload my newest content and you don't miss out. Also, I hope you share my videos with people that you think that might be interested in them. Whether it be my paranormal vlogs, whether it be my jewelry tutorials, my DIY crafts, my reviews, or just my everyday vlogs, or anything really. I have a variety of different playlists on my channel, so I really hope that you'll share them. I have to make a new fall welcome, so it might be up by the time you see this. I don't know. I have quite a few videos to edit and get to, and I'm going to be working on that soon. I finally got to wear the necklace that I made, and if you didn't see my jewelry tutorial, check it out along with these earrings. Now I made a necklace to match this, but I wanted to wear this one today because I haven't really got a chance to wear it, so I'm wearing purple and black, and I figured this is the perfect time to wear this. I really hate to rush along, but I just wanted to make this quick video to say hello and remind you that my paranormal vlogs are coming. Happy fall. And I'm going to catch up to everything. And to all my friends here on YouTube that also have channels that I watch, I try to watch your videos. I try to like and comment. I haven't had much time to sit and watch, but I have in the past few weeks tried a little bit. So I'm going to catch up on you also. And I just really love hearing from you. So just like, share, and comment on my videos, even if it's just to say hello if you have a question about one of my videos. So please check out all my new reviews and all my other playlists, and remember to be subscribed to catch up on everything. Very busy these days, so I haven't forgotten, and I'll see you soon. Bye.